What's up mga ka-angels? And today we are here to interview people and creative economy. Yay! So I'm Shana Ized, MS Kaner, and this is
I'm Denise Divas Pantaliana. Sofia Clares Gutierrez.
Manuel Ancheta Ramos.
Have the Los Reyes. 유주로서 실로 저든요.
Okay guys, tara na!
Liko dyan, liko dyan. Ay, ang cute! Hi! Hello! So cute!
Good day! Thank you for joining us today. To start, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Gwendolyn Espino, the owner of Gwen's Bake Shop here in Laridel, Bulacan.
I'm Adrian Bilibanghelista, 22 years old. I am a former freelance character illustrator and concept artist. I've been doing freelancing since 2021 until 2023.
That's great. Can you tell us more about your job?
My job is not basically a job kasi freelancing siya. So, sa freelancing kasi may niche doon. Merong nakikita natin sa internet, maraming gusto mag-freelance kasi nga maraming opportunity doon. So, yung napili ko doon is ayun nga, character illustrating and concept artist. So, yung ginagawa ko dito is meron ako mga client from different countries. Tapos, meron silang naiisip idea about a certain character. Pwede siyang sa video game or sa story nila, ganun. Tapos, dinedescribe nila sa akin yung na-imagine nila. Then, I will put it into life. So, i-drawing ko siya din. Pwede nilang gamitin yung sa video game or gagawin nilang poster. Ako din yung gumagawa. Ganun.
We are a baker, first, cake decorator, and we say entrepreneur. So,
Interesting! What made you decide to work in this creative industry?
priority is my family. So, since I want to spend most of my time with my kids and my husband, so I prayed hard para magkaroon ng hanap buhay or negosyo na makakasama ko sila. And this is what we have. This is the answer to our prayers.
Apo.
Ayun, kasi bata pa lang ako, na-discover ko na meron nga akong talent sa drawing. So as time pass by, ina-enhance ko na lang din siya. Tapos nung na-discover ko na pwede nga kumita dun sa pagdo-drawing, pinasok ko yung freelancing. Tapos ayun, nung nakakilala ko ng iba't ibang client, dun ko nakita yung opportunity na marami pala pwedeng kitain dito sa ganitong uri ng trabaho.
Okay. What would you say the benefits or advantages in this part of creative industry?
So, sa freelancing kasi, meron siyang advantages and disadvantages. Yung advantage na nakikita ko sa freelancing is, ayun nga, wala kang boss. So, kapag wala kang boss, ibig sabihin yan, hawak mo yung oras mo. Pwede kong tanggihan yung client kung sino gusto kong tanggihan. Pwede ko rin piliin kung sino lang yung gusto ko gawa ng project. Tapos, at the same time, yung pera kasi doon is US dollars. So, kapag kinonvert yung US dollars dito sa mas malaki siya. So, ayun yung nakita kong advantage doon para dito sa Philippines. Same lang yung currency natin. Doon kasi iba yung currency. Co-convert lang. Yung disadvantage naman doon is, syempre, iba-ibang tao makikilala mo. Meron doon language barrier. Minsan, di kayo magkakaintindihan. Ganun. Tapos, yung time zone. Kasi, may mga times na kapag pinag-uusapan namin yung project, yung client ko, gising sa madaling araw, ako naman tulog. Pag gising ako sa umaga, sila naman tulog. So doon nagkakaroon ng challenges. Pero na-solve naman namin. Tapos ayun, meron din mga clients na maganda yung patience mo para hindi ka rin magkaroon ng kaaway mo.
Unang-una, kasama namin yung family. So, we can manage yung time namin according. Ano kami ng church duties namin. Tapos, we can spend our time with the family. Most of the time, nakokontrol namin yung oras namin. Sana. Yun, ang goal din namin. Kaya ito yung business na kinuha namin.
Okay, thank you po. The next naman po is, of course, every job has challenges. What are some of the issues or the challenges you've faced in this industry? Ano po yung mga challenges? Pagsubok.
Oo. Yung unang pagsubok, yung pag ng market. When we come here, marami ng baker. So, parang hinahanap pa rin namin yung market. Tapos ang ginawa namin, nag-join kami dun sa mga ng government, sa program ng government. Hanggang sa natuto kami magnegosyo, naruan kami magnegosyo. Tapos expose yung mga namin sa products. Introduce siya sa mga trade fair, yan.
Okay.
Ayun, naisip ko, kapag ganun nga, kailangan may patience ka. Kasi hindi kapag wala ka ring patience, mawawalan ka rin ng client. Ganun. Isa pa rin nakita kong disadvantages is, yun nga, syempre online, maraming scammer.
How do you handle or solve those challenges?
Continuous prayer, tsaka yung patuloy na nag-aaral kami. Lahat ng training siguro pinupuntahan namin, yun lang.
Okay.
Hindi ko muna ginagawa yung project unless magbibigay muna sila ng partial payment. Ganun. So, iwas scam. Kasi nabiktima na rin ako nung nagsisimula pa lang ako. Ganun.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights. But before we end this interview, can you send a last message or final message to the camera?
Ayun, so if you guys have talents or skills, enhance that. Magagamit niyo siya sa future. Especially if mahal niyo yung ginagawa. Ayun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grab every opportunity na matuto kayo. Halimbawa, mayroong training. As long as may oras kayo or means na matuto kayo, grab the opportunity. Kasi you may never know. Kakaroon ng panahon na magagamit mo talaga siya. So, yun lang. Mag-aaral na. Tsaka, more on prayer talaga.
Okay po. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
At doon nagtatapos ang aming video mga ka-angels. We hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe
Like!
and subscribe! And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.
If you want more videos from us. Yay!
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Hi, my name is Gabano Lanchata Ramos. Yo, what's up mga ka-angels? And today... What's up mga ka-angels? And today we are here to interview people with great...
Okay guys, where are we going?
Okay guys, so here we are at our first interview with Place. She's a businesswoman and a baker. Let's go.
Today, we are going to go to our next interviewee. Our second interviewer. They are an artist. Today, we are going to interview our second interviewer. They are an artist. Let's go!
Hindi namin bibitawan.
Teka.
Record agad.
3, 2, 1.